Iceland, a land of epic landscapes and epic prices, where every turn is a postcard come to life. From waterfalls that roar with ancient power, to glaciers that creak and carve into crystal clear lagoons, and a sky that paints itself in light. This is Iceland. An expensive paradise, maybe, but some adventures are priceless. Are you ready for yours?
Have you ever wondered why Iceland, a remote island in the North Atlantic, is considered the most epic and expensive country in the world? This is a question that has intrigued many. Iceland, a land of fire and ice nestled up there between the Greenland Sea and the North Atlantic Ocean, is a place that captures the imagination. Its dramatic landscapes are a jaw-dropping mix of active volcanoes, glistening glaciers, geysers, hot springs, and lava fields. Such a unique geographical location and natural beauty make it seem as if it's a world of its own. But its allure doesn't stop there. The cost of living and traveling in Iceland is also strikingly high. Whether it's the price of a cup of coffee in Reykjavik, or the cost of a week-long tour around the island, the expenditures can often surprise visitors. To fully understand why Iceland has this reputation, we need to delve into its history, economy, and natural wonders. Iceland, isolated from the rest of the world for centuries, has a unique history that has shaped its present. Our story begins around the end of the 9th century, when Norse Vikings, drawn by the promise of unclaimed land, set sail from their homes in Scandinavia. These hardy seafarers were the first to establish settlements on this distant icy isle. The early inhabitants faced a harsh and unforgiving climate, coupled with the extreme isolation of the island. Yet they adapted, learning to live off the land and sea, their resilience shaping the character of the nation that Iceland is today. Towards the end of the 14th century, Denmark took control of Iceland, beginning a period of rule that would last for more than 5 centuries. The Danish influence was profound, impacting the language, law, and governance of the island. It was a difficult period marked by harsh economic conditions, natural disasters, and epidemics. Despite these trials, the Icelandic spirit remained unbroken. The dawn of the 19th century brought waves of change. A surge of nationalistic fervor swept across the island, and the clamor for independence grew louder. In 1944, amidst the turmoil of the Second World War, Iceland finally seized the opportunity to break free from Danish rule. The country declared itself an independent republic, marking a significant turning point in its history. Post-independence, Iceland underwent rapid modernization and development. The economy grew, education improved, and the country began to make its mark on the global stage. Yet despite these advancements, Iceland has managed to preserve its cultural heritage. The Icelandic language remains virtually unchanged from its Old Norse roots. Traditional practices like the annual sheep roundup or retur continue to be a part of the Icelandic way of life. In the span of a few centuries, Iceland has transformed from a remote Viking outpost to a thriving modern nation. Its history is a testament to the resilience and determination of its people. This rich history combined with isolation has led to the preservation of unique Icelandic culture and traditions that add to its epic nature. Despite its small size, Iceland boasts a robust economy which contributes to its high-cost status. Its economic prowess is driven by 3 primary sectors: fishing, renewable energy, and tourism. First, let's consider fishing. Iceland's extensive coastline and fertile waters have made it one of the world's leading fishing nations. The fishing industry has been the backbone of the Icelandic economy for centuries, contributing a significant proportion of the country's GDP. It's not just about the fresh catch either. The processing and exporting of seafood products play a significant role too. Next, we have renewable energy. Blessed with an abundance of geothermal and hydroelectric power sources, Iceland has become a global leader in renewable energy production. This green energy not only powers homes and businesses across the country, but also fuels energy-intensive industries like aluminum smelting, which have become significant contributors to the Icelandic economy. And then there's tourism. As Iceland's natural wonders have gained global recognition, the country has seen a tourism boom. From the Northern Lights to the Blue Lagoon, the country's unique landscapes attract millions of visitors each year, contributing significantly to the national economy. However, living on an isolated island in the North Atlantic comes with its challenges. Most goods have to be imported, which hikes up prices. The cost of living in Iceland is among the highest in the world. with food, drink, and consumer goods often coming in at prices significantly above the global average. But it's not all about high prices. The high cost of living is also a reflection of the high standard of living in the country. Iceland consistently ranks among the top countries for quality of life, with excellent healthcare, education, and social security systems. So, while your wallet might feel a little lighter after a visit, remember, the high cost of living and traveling in Iceland is a result of these economic factors, making it an expensive destination. But isn't it worth it to experience the magic of this incredible country? Iceland's epic status is largely due to its breathtaking natural wonders. Let's start with the geysers, a spectacle of Mother Nature that leaves viewers awestruck. These hot springs with intermittent eruptions are a sight to behold. Iceland's most famous geyser, Strákur, for instance, erupts every 6 to 10 minutes, shooting hot water up to 40 meters high. The raw power of the earth is palpable in these moments, making it a truly memorable experience. Then there are the glaciers, grand icy titans that cover about 11% of the country. Vatnajökull, the largest glacier in Europe, is right here in Iceland. These majestic ice masses serve as a stark reminder of the planet's chilling beauty. The blue ice, craggy crevasses, and the eerie silence of the glaciers create an environment that's both hauntingly beautiful and profoundly humbling. Now let's talk about the waterfalls. Iceland is home to some of the most dramatic and beautiful waterfalls in the world. Take Skogafoss, for example, with its 60-meter drop. It is one of the biggest and most beautiful waterfalls in the country. Or Seljalandsfoss, a unique waterfall that allows visitors to walk behind it, offering a completely different perspective. The roar of the water, the misty spray, the rainbows appearing in the sunlight. It's a sensory overload that leaves you in awe of nature's grandeur. But of all the natural wonders Iceland has to offer, perhaps the most famous are the Northern Lights. This celestial light show, also known as Aurora Borealis, paints the night sky with surreal hues of green, pink, and purple. It's a cosmic ballet that leaves spectators spellbound, a sight so magical that it often feels like a dream. Each of these natural phenomena is unique and awe-inspiring in its own way, attracting tourists from every corner of the globe. They offer a glimpse into the raw, untamed beauty of our planet, making Iceland a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers. These natural wonders not only contribute to the country's epic status but also drive up the costs as tourists flock to experience them. Despite its high cost, the unique Icelandic experience makes it worth every penny. Let's delve into the heart of what makes Iceland so special: its culture. The Icelandic culture is as rich and intriguing as the landscape that surrounds it. The language, for instance, is a direct descendant of Old Norse, spoken by the Vikings. It's a living testament to the country's vibrant history, a melodic tongue that adds to the charm of the land. Music, too, plays a significant role in the Icelandic experience. From the hauntingly beautiful melodies of Björk to the soulful tunes of Monsters and Men, Icelandic music is as diverse as the country's terrain. It's a reflection of the nation's creative spirit, the rhythm of the land echoing in every beat, every note, and then there's the food. Icelandic cuisine is a sensory journey, a blend of traditional and modern flavors. From the hearty lamb stew known as kotsupa to the unique fermented shark, hakarl. Each dish tells a story of the people and their relationship with the harsh yet bountiful environment. But it's not just about the tangible aspects of culture. It's also about the people and their values. The Icelandic people are known for their warm hospitality. Their strong sense of community and respect for the environment are palpable in their everyday life. You'll find a nation of people who are progressive, open-minded, and deeply connected to their land. Another aspect that enhances the Icelandic experience is the country's commitment to safety and cleanliness. Iceland consistently ranks as one of the safest countries in the world. It's also remarkably clean, with pristine landscapes and cities that are testament to the people's respect for their environment. And let's not forget about the festivals. From the vibrant summer solstice celebrations to the enchanting Winter Lights Festival, there's always a reason to celebrate in Iceland. These festivals bring together locals and visitors alike, creating unforgettable moments of joy and camaraderie. The cost may be high, but the experience of visiting Iceland is truly priceless. So, why is Iceland considered the most epic and expensive country? Well, it's a tapestry of unique aspects that blend together to create an unforgettable experience. Let's revisit what we've talked about. Firstly, Iceland's history is a saga of resilience and adaptability, with a civilization that has thrived against the odds. This history has shaped the nation and its people, creating a distinctive culture that is as alluring as it is intriguing. The robust Icelandic economy demonstrates the ingenuity of this small but mighty nation. Despite its size, Iceland has managed to carve out a significant place on the global stage primarily through its sustainable use of natural resources. Then there's the breathtaking natural beauty of Iceland, a land of fire and ice where geysers erupt under northern lights and glaciers creep across volcanic plains. This stark and dramatic landscape is unlike anything you'll find elsewhere. With its rich history, stunning natural beauty, and unique culture, Iceland offers an epic experience that justifies its high cost. It's more than just a destination, it's an adventure of a